Step 3. Consume meals that are high in fiber. The majority of dietary fiber is indigestible plant materials. Getting enough fiber in your diet might help you lose weight. The soluble and viscous fibers appear to have the biggest impact on your weight. These are fibers that bind water and produce a thick gel in your intestine. Source: American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. This gel has the ability to significantly delay the passage of food through your digestive tract. It can also cause nutritional digestion and absorption to be slowed. A 5-year research found that ingesting 10 grams of soluble fiber per day resulted in a 3.7% decrease in belly fat. Over the course of 4 months, one review research revealed that adding 14 grams of fiber to one's diet resulted in a 10% reduction in calorie consumption and a weight loss of about 4.5 pounds, 2 kilograms. As a result, soluble fiber may be especially beneficial at reducing dangerous belly fat. Eating a lot of plant foods, such as vegetables and fruit, is the greatest method to acquire extra fiber. Legumes and certain cereals, such as whole oats, are also good sources. You might also take a fiber supplement, such as glucomannane. This is one of the most viscous dietary fibers, and research suggests that it might aid weight reduction. Before adding this or any other supplement to your dietary routine, speak with your healthcare practitioner. Step 4. Limit your intake of sugar and sugar-sweetened beverages. Foods with added sugars are bad for your health. Eating a lot of these types of food can cause weight gain. According to research, adding sugar has a distinct negative impact on metabolic health. Source: Journal for Clinical Investigation. Excess sugar, mostly owing to excessive quantities of fructose, has been linked to a variety of health problems. According to several research, can lead to fat building up around your abdomen and liver. Source: USNLM. When you consume a high amount of added sugar, your liver becomes overburdened with fructose and is pushed to convert it to fat. Source: American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Some feel that this is the major cause of sugar's negative health consequences. It causes insulin resistance and other metabolic issues by increasing belly and liver fat. Source: American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Because the brain does not appear to process liquid calories in the same way as it does solid calories, drinking sugar-sweetened drinks causes you to consume more total calories. According to a research, each extra daily serving of sugar-sweetened drinks increased children's risk of obesity by 60%. Reduce the quantity of sugar in your diet and consider eliminating sugary drinks entirely. Sugar-sweetened beverages, sugary sodas, fruit juices, and numerous high-sugar sports drinks fall under this category. Check the labels to ensure that the items you're buying don't contain refined sugars. Even foods marketed as health foods can contain significant amounts of sugar. Keep in mind that none of this applies to whole fruit, which are extremely healthy and have plenty of fiber that mitigates the negative effects of fructose. Click the link in the description for our last steps.